Imagine a car so long that it takes two drivers to steer it. A car that has its own swimming pool, jacuzzi, and even a helipad. Sounds unbelievable, right? Well, buckle up, because this giant limousine is 100 feet long, has 26 wheels, and holds a Guinness World Record. This is the story of the American dream, a car that pushes the limits of what we thought was possible on 4 wheels, or in this case, 26 wheels. The American dream was originally built in the 1980s by Jay Ohrberg, a car customizer from California. If the name sounds familiar, that's because Ohrberg was famous for creating some of Hollywood's wildest vehicles, like the Batmobile and Kit from Knight Rider. But this time, he wanted to go bigger, much bigger. Using a Cadillac Eldorado as the base, Ohrberg stretched it, and then stretched it again, until the final version reached a jaw-dropping 100 feet, or about 30 meters. To put that into perspective, that's longer than a basketball court or a Boeing 727 airplane. Now let's step inside and explore the insane features that made this car more like a moving mansion than a limousine. First up, the car has 2 driver's cabins, one at the front and one at the back. Why? Because maneuvering a 100-foot car is impossible with only one steering position. Next, we've got 26 wheels spread across the body to handle the weight and length. Inside, passengers were treated to luxury beyond imagination. Multiple bedrooms, a living area, and even a swimming pool with a diving board. Yes, a diving board. How about a jacuzzi for ultimate relaxation on the road? And on the roof, believe it or not, there was a helipad, allowing helicopters to land directly on top of the car. This wasn't just transportation. It was a symbol of excess, extravagance, and pure American creativity. But as incredible as this car was, it also faced major challenges. Driving it on regular roads was almost impossible. Parking it? Forget about it. Over time, the limousine fell into disrepair. By the 1990s and early 2000s, the American dream was abandoned, rusting away in a parking lot, forgotten by many. What was once a shining symbol of engineering brilliance was now a decaying relic. But the story doesn't end there. In recent years, a group of enthusiasts decided to bring the American dream back to life. It was transported to Florida, where mechanics and restorers spent years carefully rebuilding it. Piece by piece, they restored the wheels, fixed the body, repainted the exterior, and revived the luxurious interior. Finally, after decades, the car returned to its full glory, and in 2022, Guinness World Records officially recognized it once again as the world's longest car. Today, the American dream stands as more than just a car. It's a piece of automotive history, a symbol of imagination and ambition. It reminds us that sometimes, engineering isn't just about practicality, it's about pushing boundaries, creating something iconic, and inspiring people around the world. So, what do you think? Would you take a ride in the world's longest limousine? Maybe relax in its jacuzzi or land a helicopter on top? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this journey through one of the craziest cars ever built, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more amazing automotive stories, and ring the bell so you never miss a video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next ride.